can you go see if we have any more 90s in the van?
Yeah.
Yeah, running down a dream that never would come to me. Working on a mystery, going wherever it leads. Running down a dream. I felt so good, like anything was possible.